Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest toggle on the Dress to Impress update that you might have missed. So, it is in the VIP section, and no, it is not a new item, so that's why I said that you might have missed it. That's why I say you might have missed it. Okay, anyways, it is the eye mask over here, and if you select the hold, it is a new toggle and I think it is super cool. Let me just I'm just gonna color it red and like this color-ish. What am I saying? Like this maybe? Yellowish color. And there you go. Looks super cool. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.